Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a Hobby Lobby clearance haul and let me show you all the cute items I picked up. Let me start with these. These are stamps on wooden blocks. I picked up this one. It's like it's a boho design. It kind of looks like those Italian trays. It's so pretty. See there? Or you could use it as a doily. I paid $1.24. The regular price was $2.49. And then I also picked this one up. It's hard to see, but the image is right there. And this is what it looks like. So this one I paid $1.49. Regular price was $2.99. I also picked up some wax seals. These were $5.49 and I paid $2.74 for them. My store is in the process of doing markdowns, so a lot of the items that I saw online and other people's hauls, it has not happened in my store yet. They're kind of slow. So I'm waiting, and I will continue to check back to see, if they're going to get to marking that stuff down. So I picked up this one. This is red. See? And you get 120 wax pieces in these. And then I picked up black. I needed some more black seals, so these will come in handy, these little black wax pieces. So I got those. I also picked up some envelopes. I picked up 2 packages of this one. The price was 87 cents. Regular price was $3.49. And you get 24 envelopes. They're 4.37 by 5.75 inches. Now these are the vellum envelopes. I'm quite happy they had this in stock, so I was able to pick them up. So you see? Well, actually, let's see, this is the notes. I thought they were envelopes, but they're more like note pieces. I was thinking they were envelopes, but they're not. So they're just, they're wraps. Yeah, it says so right here. I didn't read that because they were hanging with the envelope, so I just, I figured, well, they're envelopes. So, yeah, you take this and let me see. What do I have? You put your card in there. Take this and just wrap it. But I think I will redesign mine so that it is an envelope. We'll see how well that works out, but I'm going to give it a try because it already has a fold. So, yeah, now I have 2 packages of those. I also picked up this one. Now, I know these are envelopes. These I paid $1.49. The regular price is $5.99. So look at this. It's a long envelope. See there? And if you don't want it this long, just trim it down. And of course, reshape the back side here and make it smaller. So this will work really well. I like the length on this one. So I picked up 2 of these. And then the last items I picked up are these new stamps. So Hobby Lobby has new stamps put out already in my store, so I picked this one up. This is Bo Bunny Summer Rose. It was $2.49. Let me see if I can get it out. So you get 10 stamps, and this is what they look like. They're cute little bouquets of roses, and you get like a, I don't know, a ledger, a print, or a script, and then you get a frame. Really cute. And then there's another one like for a frame for like sentiments, or if you want to, you know, put some kind of wording in there. So I like that one. That is cute. I also picked up this one. This one is Bo Bunny Antique Garden, and it was $1.99. And you get 15 stamps in this one. So this is what you get. I like them. Here we go. I'm going to turn it over. So I like this. These are so cute. And you get like a cute frame here and another one there. Butterflies, birds, flowers. That says love, bloom and grow, lovely, enjoy the little things. They're really cute stamps. I like these. So I did kind of like a quick run through the department, so I may have to go back and take a better look. I was a bit of in a rush when I stopped by Hobby Lobby, so yeah, I will need to go back and take a better look to see what else that they have in the stamp departments. So I'm looking forward to see all the new stuff coming out. Now I'm still waiting on all the papers to be marked down. I'm waiting on like all the acrylics, you know, like the keychain acrylics. They haven't been marked down, so I'm still waiting on that. The bakery aisle, they still have not marked that down. Like the acrylic paints, that aisle, the wood aisle, all the containers. Yeah, those are still not done yet. And I heard that the little model sets, like for like doll houses and stuff like that, I heard that aisle is on sale too, but not in my store. So I will continue to check back. Well, thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. And I will see you next time and show you what new goodies I have picked up.